While setting in miscellaneous setting, so what we'll do in the miscellaneous setting, actually the buzzer is not some problem with the KK board, but the battery level indicator. In the miscellaneous setting 1, we have set battery level indicator to 10.5. My battery is less than that. So to eliminate that error, what we have to do is change the setting to 0. See, now that buzzer error has gone. So that is only a battery level indicator. So if it is less than that, so its buzzer starts continuously like beeping. So we feel there is an error in the microcontroller board. Thank you.